You want to... Okay, guys. I did the best I could to try to fix my acrylic. Didn't turn out that good, but oh well. For now, I'm going to stop because I'm getting tired. And I've got Myra coming over. Soba! Will you? Soba! Get off. Get off. Get off, baby. Okay, now. This is the Professional Advance Pro Gel Top Coat. Here we go. Gel Top Coat. Let's try again. My. You'll forgive him. I think it's Tammy Wynette. Baby, leave me. Please don't leave me all by myself. Oh yeah, come on girl, sing it. It's so bad. The Supremes, I love them girls. You can tell I didn't put enough acrylic there. I don't think I buffed this one out very well. It looks too lumpy. Okay, I'm going to put it in my I'm going to put it in my UV light lamp there, so I'm going to let it dry. And I'll be back, guys.